Somewhere in Iowa, quietly hidden in a field of dreams, there's a wondrous place that holds many secrets. It's a place of peace, an oasis of serenity. But only the fortunate ones will discover its secrets here in the Earthborn Rainforest. OJAYA is the martial art of deep meditation. Now, you already know about the physical martial arts, like karate, judo, kung fu, aikido. They teach you the art of physical self-defense. But this is different. OJAYA is the art of inner self-defense, the martial art of deep meditation. First, you'll learn how to protect your mind and your emotions from the constant stresses of life. You'll develop a kavach, an armor of calm energy, a blissful consciousness inside you that protects you wherever you go in your daily life. You'll develop a power of consciousness. So instead of absorbing stress, you repel stress as you go about your day. When stresses attack you, like arrows coming at you from all directions, the strength of your consciousness overpowers them. Stresses just wash off you like a rain shower. OJAYA gives you a strength, a peace, a serenity that totally embraces you, even when you're busy with 100 things in your daily life. OJAYA raises your intelligence and gives you deep insight. And when you conquer your problems and you succeed in your life, you become a hero to everyone around you. You gain power to uplift the lives of others. OJAYA is ancient knowledge, rare wisdom, a different kind of meditation that's soothing and blissful, absolutely easy and restful. Your search is over. You found it. OJAYA is, by far, the most powerful meditation you'll find anywhere. And now, we'll show you why.